Hi guys! So for today's video, I just want to cook for ginamay. So when you say ginamay, it's just like accent for uh, Filipino. Just food Cebuana name like ginamay. But it's a grand fork with adding for some potatoes, like spicy, some pepper, fruit drops, or some more spices that I add to, delicious the ginamay. Okay, let's start. First, want to do, I just skin off the potato. Yes, I just slice for the potato. That's the patatas in the Cebuana. Patatas is the potatoes, and fruit chops is a bisol. Yeah, it is bisol. Yes, I just slice for potato, guys. And then after that, I just wash that and slice for same size. I slice for the same size para and potatoes. That's apara like bisol or fruit chops and potato. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm preparing for spices. Yeah, I'm preparing for garlic. Yeah, just preparing the onions and spices like ginger. Yeah, they have na, I prepared na for slice for apara and the pepper and ginger and onion leaves and garlic and red onions. So that's my spices to adding the my ginamay and the grand fork. Yeah, I just wash my grand fork because they have little bit blood, and that's all ingredients. And then you can add for little bit oil. Yeah, it's oil to cook the spices, onion, red onion, ginger, etc. So I'm very sweeting na. Alright, so let's start. Yes, and then I just put the oil until to hit the oil, and then I just first to put the garlic. Yeah, when getting a brown for garlic, can put garlic. Yeah, until to brown the garlic, till the brown garlic. Yeah, nasa guys the ginamay, that's ginamay. And after that, for red onions, just going to brown, guys. Yeah, it's a lot stuff. Yeah, and then you mixing that until to color brown. Yes, and then after the color brown, guys, when you cook the red onions, garlic, ginger, yeah, until to color that you can see that, yeah, that's going to brown. Yeah, when I cook something, I until to going brown to cook the oil little bit. Yeah, that's the Filipino when you cook something, the spices, the onion, garlic, or red onions, you just getting brown, you just getting brown, and put and adding the ginger. Yeah, after the ginger, that you can mix mix again until to going brown. Yeah, until to making brown. Yeah, and then after that, I just adding for the next grand fork. So I gonna put the grand fork, guys. So the next grand fork, yeah, I put the grand fork, and then yeah, that's my grand fork, and then I adding for more uh, black pepper and soy sauce and salt and magic syrup. You know that magic syrup, that's the magic for your taste. Yeah, I just put the black pepper, and next, yeah, I just put the other one, the spices is the black pepper. I put the black pepper. Yeah, you can put that black pepper, and next one is you just put the soy sauce and salty, and then you just mix that. After that, you can mix until to dry, after to dry little bit, until to cook the flesh for grand fork. That's the grand fork. Yeah, and then you just getting a brown na, guys, until to getting brown. You can mix that, mix until to mix, and they have getting a brown, and then after that you can add for the karatisian. You just practicing for kachikchan, and then after that you can mix that, and then you can see, guys, is you know, you just going dry na, and then after you going dry, you just put the potatoes, fruit wraps, and the spicy something that you like to put there. Yeah, potato and apara and patatas, and then after that you just mix to, you know, you can mix to mixing the grand fork and apara potato. You can mix that. Yeah, mix until to cook the bisol and patatas and bisol until to dry his you know, cooking. Yeah, is until to cooking, and you can put the pepper. Yeah, you can put the pepper. So you have to mix the pepper, and then after that you can open it again, and then, you know, you can wait until to 25 minutes, and until to cook the grand fork, and you can add for the more spices that you like to put to the last. Yeah, it's to the last that I put, and then after that you can mix again that. After 10 minutes you can mix that. Yeah, you can mix. Yeah, you can mix, and you don't like something naturally dry, you just like little bit sauce, so something like that. Yeah, you look like a dry, but in the, you know, you just have you just getting for you know, soy sauce little bit for in the camera is it's different. Yeah, you look like a dry, but in the reality it just have with little bit. It's very delicious, guys. And then after that you just done na, guys, and then I just transfer for my you know, yeah, it's already cooked na, guys. Look at, that's very delicious. It's little bit the sauce, wait, it's so something like that. It's not really, it's something like dry. It's so delicious, guys. That's my favorite. Yeah, that's it. That's my recipe, guys. Is only the grand fork. That's the my recipe of ginamay. Yeah, delicious. It look delicious.